Bangladesh. The steel industry is one of the most important pillars of this country's economy. KYCR Coil Industries Limited, a subsidiary of KDS Steel and of the KDS Group conglomerate, is one of Bangladesh's most powerful producers of cold strip. The core of the cold rolling complex at KYCR, erected in the year 2000, was the single-stand reversing cold mill from SMS Group, an RCM in 6-high construction, specially designed for ultra-thin gauges. This RCM has now been extended into a 2-stand CCM. With this, it becomes one of the first mills to target rolling ultra-thin gauges in a CCM. KYCR has thus chosen SMS Group's cost-efficient concept for mill expansion. At the time of designing the RCM, the foundations for a second mill stand were already considered and laid accordingly. This enables an RCM from SMS Group to be efficiently extended. First of all, the existing exit section with tension reel, coil car and belt wrapper was disassembled and relocated. The second mill stand was installed in the space that was now free. Extensions were also made for the hydraulics, the fume exhaust system, and the interstand area. By extending the existing RCM into a CCM, KYCR increased its annual capacity from 100,000 metric tons to 170,000 tons of cold strip per year. One of the special features of the mill is the CVC Plus technology, in combination with very thin work rolls of 200 mm minimum and 240 mm maximum diameter. They ensure high pass reductions. Strips with a width of 600 to 1050 mm and entry gauges of 3.0 to 1.6 millimeters can be rolled down to final gauges of 0.5 to 0.09 millimeters. The SMS Group modernization concept also comprised the electrical and automation systems. KYCR's existing single stand was equipped with electrical and automation systems from an external manufacturer. In the meantime, they were over 14 years old and no longer satisfied modern requirements. As far as possible, already existing components from the first mill stand, such as thickness gauges and the drives, were retained and equipped with firmware updates and new Profibus interfaces, a highly profitable solution. The new 6-high cold rolling mill stand was fitted out completely with new drives and control systems. The core of the automation technology at KYCR is the new X-Pact Level 1 automation from SMS Group. Here, among other features, the SMS Group experts implemented the thickness control for both stands, the coiler tension controls, and a sophisticated interstand tension control concept. The operator can optimize flatness at any time by means of hydraulic gap adjustment, the CVC Plus shifting system, and roll bending. Furthermore, the mill stands are equipped with the HS adjusting system for horizontal stabilization of the thin work rolls. A mill setup system, sequence controls, and a reporting system for quality assurance and documentation were also implemented. The new control pulpit set up by SMS Group. Here, the operating personnel benefit from a clear display of all rolling processes and production results on the HMI masks. The displays illustrate the operational precision of the new CCM. The thickness tolerance for strips smaller than 0.2 millimeters is only 2 micrometers, which means that it is significantly better than the contractually agreed 4 micrometers. A simple switchover procedure allows the mill to be operated in dual stand or single stand mode. This allows a great deal of flexibility in terms of mill setup, especially for thinner gauges. KYCR is also capable of rolling high-strength HSLA steels in this mill. A mere 95 days after commissioning, the CCM had fulfilled all requirements and SMS Group received the FAC from KYCR. As with all projects of SMS Group, the plug-and-work procedure also contributes to the good production results. For this, prior to commissioning, all of the electrical and automation components are tested and optimized by near-real simulations. For KYCR, this resulted in a greatly reduced commissioning phase. Today, the CCM is running in 3-shift operation, and it supplies high-precision, thin strips within extremely narrow tolerances. The newly erected CCM at KYCR is one of the first mills of this type, which rolls strips thinner than 0.122 millimeters in stable, continuous operation. The economically viable extension of the RCM into the CCM, already planned predictively during the original construction, and an intelligent automation solution individually adapted to the product range, which includes thin strips. KYCR in Bangladesh, another example proving that SMS Group's efficient modernization concept is a success model for plant owners.